What is private cloud and what is public cloud?
So what is cloud? Okay, primarily cloud is anything which is delivered as a service, right? So if you give a server as a service, which is infrastructure as a services, you give platform which is a database or a web services as a service, then it is a platform as services. If you give functionality as a service, say for example HRMS as a service to a customer, then it is software as a service. The difference between private and a public cloud is private is built into customer's data center which has no connection outside, and public cloud which is delivered out of from an internet, where a public cloud is shared between multiple customers, whereas private cloud is one customer, one setup. That's the primary difference.
Can you tell the audience what is the difference between agent, bouquet of agent, and maybe you start from the scratch from the LLM? What is the difference?
First of all, let's start with what is a generative AI. Because we have been talking about AI for 2-3 years now. Okay, actually more than that. AI is as a concept is there for last 7, 8, 10 years, more than that. In fact, artificial intelligence as a word was coined in 1960s.
1960s, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So artificial intelligence was there, but why we are talking about AI all of a sudden now with an invention, or not an invention, with a product coming as a ChatGPT in 2022, which is a generative AI. What's a generative AI is where the information or the answer is generated. It is not pre-built. Right? Earlier what used to happen is you give a task, there is a pre-built intelligence and the response was also pre-built. Here, based upon your objective, the task is actually getting framed. So based upon first word, second word is getting generated, right? That's why what you used to see earlier days is whenever you ask a question to ChatGPT, word by word answer used to come.
What do you feel is the general myth जो समाज में है? Starting a business का सबसे बड़ा myth क्या लगता है आपको? लोगों के मन में क्या है?
सबसे बड़ा myth is कि एक बिजनेस बहुत इजी होता है, यानी बिजनेस इजी नहीं होता. ओके, बिजनेस इज डिफिकल्ट. यू विल हैव टू टेक ऑल द रिस्क, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जांपल, you only I got to know today only that when you are in your final year of engineering, you started your business,
yes,
right?
Sir.
So that's a risk, right? So that's a very big risk. And 2014 was an early days of a startup. Not many people were aware about startup, right? So yes, you took that risk. So ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि हम AI को साइडलाइन रखेंगे और AI के अगेंस्ट जाएंगे.
तो होगा ही नहीं,
राइट? हर कस्टमर AI यूज करेगा, हर टेकी यूज करेगा, हर यूजर करेगा. जो टेक्निकल है या नॉन टेक्निकल है वो AI यूज करेगा. ओके, हमें एक्चुअली ये देखना है कि हम AI को किस तरह यूज करेंगे.
Because there is a lot of discussion on that. ये बिजनेस चलेगा, ये बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा, ये ऑब्सोल्यूट हो जाएगा. What do you feel as a person working in the AI? कौन से प्रकार के बिजनेस रहेंगे या ऑब्सोल्यूट हो जाएंगे? कौन से प्रकार के?
जो भी बिजनेस जो AI को अडॉप्ट नहीं करेंगे वो ऑब्सोल्यूट हो जाएंगे.
कोई भी बिजनेस जो AI को अडॉप्ट नहीं करेंगे वो ऑब्सोल्यूट हो जाएगा.
हाँ, बिजनेस आज AI हर एक बिजनेस
में. But can AI completely replace that business? No. कोई भी बिजनेस को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता.
It is an assistive intelligence. I said in my definition of AI, I said assistive intelligence.
What is the difference between context और memory? There is a memory in the LLM. What is the difference?
So आपका context memory में चला जाता है. Okay? आज अगर आप ChatGPT को same topic पे question पूछ रहे हो, okay? एक situation आता है, उसके बाद में आपको तो context देने की जरूरत नहीं होती, उसको पता होता है, okay? तो वो memory है.